What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video today. It's another type of vlog. Not writing as much this week. I don't know, just plans are not adding up and things keep coming up and all that stuff. But I do have an exciting video for you guys. I kind of want to help out all the people that starting their YouTube channel. I get a lot of questions about like how I gained like over 100,000 subscribers in such a short period of time, all that stuff. So I kind of want to talk about it, address it, and help you guys out, the people that want to start their YouTube channel or are already starting and want to see how I got to where I am today. And yeah, I just kind of wanted to help out and share my experience with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and ask me also any other questions that I'm not going to mention in this video. Let's get started. I know where to start. Finally received it, guys. It's honestly unreal, and I really want to thank everyone for the support. Like, still, even after, like, when I got to 100,000 subs, it didn't register in my head, and even now that I got this, it still doesn't register as much. I don't know, like, I still can't believe that this is actually mine, even though it says the channel name right there. So beyond grateful. Super happy that I received this award. I don't know, these awards kind of like make what you achieve like more special, and thanks to YouTube for providing such thing. And without you guys, this wouldn't have been possible. Let's share how I got there in pretty much like a few months, which may seem like it's only been a few months, but it's honestly not. It took way longer than any of you guys know. A lot of people are like, oh my god, you're gaining subscribers so fast, blah blah blah, but like, that's only because I had some videos go somewhat viral or gain more traction than usual. The most important thing that I instantly saw an incline in engagement, views, subscribers, all that stuff is consistency. If you post videos as consistent as possible, like try to do, I don't know, as much as you can, like try 3 times a week or try 4 or 5, whatever you can do. Literally every single big YouTuber that on the come up, like look at Logan Paul, Jake Paul, how they blow up. They're doing everyday vlogs. Like, you know, like super big YouTubers blew up because they were super consistent with their videos. And I started seeing most of my results from that. If you guys don't know, I started 2019 and like the video did so bad. I think it had like barely 100 views, something like that. And then I put so much time, so much effort into that video, like filmed it over a few days and then took like days to edit, because when you start, that's the hardest part. You don't know nothing about editing, you don't know nothing about like how to film. It's all unnatural and weird. So I put so much time, so much effort into this, so much thought, and at the end of the day, like, didn't even get 100 views. Another big tip is that you gotta enjoy what you're doing. If you're doing it just for the views, if you're doing it just for the money, then you should stop. You should find something that you like and do that. I started making videos, like, if you guys are following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at MK. I have those like little montage videos that I used to film random rides I go on, do little like edits and just post it on Instagram just for the fun of it. So I kind of adopted that idea, like focusing more on just like releasing content than like, oh, I need this video to be a banger, you know what I mean? Because trust me, you are not going to know what video does well. My first video or 2 that did well, I had no idea. I just made them for the hell of it. I made the video just to make a video, and I thought it's gonna do horribly. Little did I know, it got like 500,000 views, and at that time I was mind blowing. It was the first video, I believe, that goes over 100,000 views. So it's like, that's a big milestone. Your first video that goes over like 100,000 views, you're gonna be like, whoa, 100,000 people saw this. It's crazy. And it just was very unreal, but like I kind of didn't let it go to my head. I was like, oh, it's just a fluke, whatever. I just kind of kept the momentum going. Also, you gotta learn from what videos do well and what videos do not do well. So I know what videos don't do as well, and those are usually like the videos that are like this, kind of like vlogging or just like not going on rides. I still do them because I want to have a variety of videos, and I also want to help you guys out by sharing this information. Like, I started, as I said, and I wanted views, I wanted kind of like for YouTube to take off and all that. It did horrible. And then when I did it for fun and started doing it more regularly, that's when I saw the most growth, and that's when the channel took off, because I was being consistent, number one, two, learning from what videos do better than others. The video where I took the V4 to a car meet, I was like, whoa, well, I've made this video before with the H2, but I didn't do as well. So I kind of tried it again, did it a little differently, and it did really well. That's my most viewed videos with over 2 million views, which is absolutely insane. And that video definitely helped boost my channel a lot. And the third thing is get to your 1,000 subscribers or hit 40 videos on your channel. When you get to 1,000 subscribers and you get monetized, I've noticed that like the algorithm just likes you better, maybe because, I mean, it does make sense. You're making money, that means YouTube is making money too, because you don't make all your ad revenue. Like, a lot of it goes to YouTube. Well, technically you make the ad revenue they show you, that's what you make, but technically the ads are paying way more, and YouTube takes a cut of that. So it makes sense that when you're making more money, YouTube want to promote you more so they can make more money too. So get to your 1,000 views, and I believe like 4,000 hours of watch time, which is really hard, but trust me, after you get to that mark, it gets way better as long as you stay consistent and stay kind of like, take it seriously, you know what I mean? Like, have fun with it, but also like treat it as a job. You know, you don't want to miss days, you don't want to like slack off pretty much, you know what I mean? But like, do have fun with it. I truly believe in that. Like, I post content that I want to record and film. Sometimes I go a little off topic and do stuff for the viewers, but for the most part, I'm enjoying the content, I'm enjoying the ride, and just sharing that with you guys. So be genuine, stay consistent, and learn from what videos do better. Post the stuff you enjoy, and if it does well, great. If it doesn't do well, at least you're enjoying it at the same time. That's how I thought about it. Every time I posted a video and didn't do well, and I felt super discouraged, I was like, well, I had fun doing it, you know what I mean? The editing part, not so much, because it does get tedious sometimes, and I'm not a big fan of editing and all of that. But I was having fun like with the ride and filming and all that stuff, and kind of like, I like saving those memories for myself too. Like, in the future, if I watch any of these videos, I'll be like, oh, I remember this ride, that was a lot of fun. So that's another reason, like, I enjoyed the process. When you enjoy the process, it's gonna get much, much easier. Trust me, guys. As you guys see right now, like, I'm filming a video that's not gonna do well, but I'm doing it because I want to share this with you guys, share the experience, thank you guys, and also I want to help you guys out. So don't be afraid to try something different, you know what I mean? Try it, because you never know. As I said, some of my top videos, I had no idea they were gonna do that well. I just made them because I thought they were cool, and I was like, why not? Like, you know, it's fun, let me just make a video about that. And it did well. So just don't overthink it, just do it and trust the process. That's pretty much it. Let's talk about the giveaway. I told you guys when I get to 100,000, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, and I think it's time to mention what the giveaway is. So I'm gonna be giving away a Scorpion EXO ST 1400 carbon helmet. It's the exposed carbon helmet. It's the same helmet that I used for the whole time until I crashed. It has a special place for me because I used that helmet when I was like kind of coming up, doing all these videos and all that crazy stuff. It's an amazing helmet. It's full exposed carbon. Scorpion is a reputable brand, and you guys know me, I love the carbon, so it gotta be all full exposed carbon. So I'm actually gonna be sending one of you guys that helmet. You have to be in the US, just because it's way more complicated for me to send it somewhere that's not in the US. So that's pretty much the only requirement to be entered, is that you have to be in the United States so I can send you the helmet. And obviously it's gonna be a brand new helmet, not my messed up crashed one. So all you have to do is pretty much take a screenshot or a picture that you're subscribed to the channel and send it to my Instagram's DM at IamK. I'm gonna scroll through all the DMs, and I'm just gonna select one in random, and I'm gonna film it, and that person is gonna be the one that's gonna receive the helmet. So pretty much all you have to do is DM me a picture that you're subscribed to my channel, and that's it. That's literally how you get entered to win a full carbon fiber Scorpion helmet. pretty easy. I just want to know, I don't want to send the helmet to someone that's not subscribed, so that's pretty much why I'm doing this. And yeah, send me a DM and I will announce the winner of the giveaway probably within like the next week or something like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am also going to be doing a ride this Friday. I'm going to be posting the details also on my Instagram. I'm doing a group ride, which is pretty much after tomorrow, October 22nd. That's when I'm going to be doing the ride. Should be a lot of fun. Hopefully it doesn't get too crazy, but it's going to be exciting. It's going to be here in Orange County, and I'm going to be posting the details on my Instagram and on YouTube later on. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, because a lot of this detailed stuff is going to be from Instagram. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and like the video if you enjoyed all these tips and the giveaway and all that information. Thank you for watching again, and thank you for my 100,000 sub plaque. Still unreal. Beyond grateful for you guys. So yeah, peace out, ride safe.